Hello everyone, today I am going to do the exercise for question number 4 and 5, which is a word problem, how to do addition of unlike fraction. Yesterday I have already mentioned it, how to do it, how to add, how to make it into lowest form, or how to convert that one in the mixed number, right? So always try to give your whatever addition you get, if it's not in the lowest term, you try to make it lowest, convert into lowest term. Today I will show you another method by which you can do the addition. So you have learned the method of finding equivalent by using the LCM, and then you make the unlike fraction like that. You have done yesterday all these questions, but in question number 4 and 5 I will show you another way, which is just a 2 or 3 step. Okay, and it's and when you will go to higher classes it will be followed mostly. So that's why I will show you, and from now onwards I will use this for this way. Okay, so this is the thing. The first question is given like that Upasana drinks 1/4 liter of milk in the morning and 2/5 liters she used to drink it at night. So they are asking what is the quantity of milk that she drinks every day. So how will you do that? Means total they are asking, so you need to do what? Addition. So you see, in the morning Upasana drinks 1/4, at night she drinks 2/5 liter. Okay, the quantity of milk that she drinks every day is 1/4 plus 2/5. Okay, so in this portion also you can do the method which I have taught you in the earlier questions. That way also you can do, but I will give you this one because when you will go to N, it is more easier to do by this method. So 4 5 LCM is you get 20, but as this is co-prime number, that way also it is 20. You will get, you just multiply, you will get 20, as these two are co-prime numbers. So now first how will you do? You have written, okay, first you need to write 1, then you write into. Okay, 4 into what is 20? 4 5 ja is 20, so you put that 5, then plus, then 2 you put into. 5 into what is 20? 5 4 ja is 20, so you put it 4. Got it? So 1 5 ja is 5 and 2 4 ja is 8. Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 5 plus 8 is 13 by 20 is the answer. 13 by 20, and it is already in lowest form, so no need to do it. So in case of question number 5, you see Akash walked from home to school is equal to 2/3 kilometer, and he took another route which was 3/5 kilometer. Okay, distance Akash walked in all. Question number 6 was given to find the distance on return. He used to take then another route, that is 3/5. First he used to take 2/5 kilometer, then 3/5, right? And what is the distance travel in total? So distance travel in total is, you need to add 2/3 plus 3/5. Again this 3 and 5 is a co-prime number. So if you have confusion if of what is co-prime number, or just do the LCM 3 and 5. If you do LCM you will get 15 as answer. Okay, so after doing LCM, after finding the LCM, you have got as 15, right? You have got as 15, LCM as 15. So after getting at 15 as an LCM, you will do what? Again you put 2 into 3 into what is 15? 3 5 is 15, you put 5 plus 3 into 5 into what is 15? 5 3s are, right? So you need to put that 3 here. Okay, so 2 into 5 is 10, 3 into 3 is 9 by 15. So 19 by 15 liter you get. So as this is an improper fraction, what was the definition of improper fraction? So those which have higher denominator, greater numerator than the denominator, they are known as improper fraction. And in the case of when you get an improper fraction, you need to convert that one in what fraction? Mixed number. So when you divide 15 by this one, you can divide it. I am showing it here also. Okay, so in case of here, if you put, so 19 will be here, so 15 15 ones are 15 and 4. So how will you put? Denominator used to be same, quotient we used to put here and remainder here. So 1 4 by 15 kilometer is the answer. Okay, so in case of the answers of exercise 4 and exercise number 5. So now I am going to do exercise number 5 1a number. It's very simple. So you can see this is an addition you need to do. So it's a mixed number. So mixed numbers and improper fractions are always related. Improper fractions can be converted into mixed number, and mixed numbers are converted into improper fractions, and by that way you can get an unlike fraction, and then you make it how you used to do it. So I am using this way. You can use, if you want, the method which I have taught in the earlier section, that way also you can do, your choice. Okay, so I feel this one easy, so because when you will go to higher classes you will use this one. So first you need to do what? You need to convert this one in improper fraction. So because as this is an mixed number, so what is, how will you do? So denominator used to be same. Okay, 3 it will be. So 1 3 is a 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 5 by 3 got, plus 2 into 9, first multiply then add, like that, right? 2 into 9 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 23 by 9. Now you see, now you have to find the denominator, as you have already learned in how to do find a denominator. You have to find the LCM. So if you this one do it and you get an LCM of 9 as an answer. Okay, you get an LCM of 9. But this 9, as you can see, you can directly also put, because as 9 is a multiple of 3, whenever the denominator, whatever denominator is, if it's a multiple of a number, then like this, like 3 into 3 is 9, so that means 9 is a multiple of 3, so you can write the bigger number, that is bigger denominator you can write directly. So after writing 9, how will you do? I have taught you already. 5 you need to put into 3 into what is 9? 3, right? So you put here 3, then plus, then 23 into 9 into what is 9? 1. Okay, so 5 3 is 15, plus 23 into 1 is 23 by 9. So when you add, you get 38 by 9. 38 by 9 is an improper fraction, as the numerator is greater than the denominator. To find the mixed number, how will you do? You divide it. 38 divided by 9. So when you divide it, so 9 4 is 36, you get 2 is a remainder. So 4 quotient we used to write as a whole, and remainder we used to write as numerator, right? So this is the answer, 4 2 by 9. Okay, so one more question, let me show you question number C. Let me show you C number. C number question is given 3 2 by 9 plus 2 1 by 6. So first you need to convert it. So you get, denominator used to be same, numerator how is to find? Multiply. 9 into 2 is 27, 27 plus 2 29, plus this one will be 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So now denominators you need to find the LCM, because as these are not multiple of each other, so that's why you have to find the LCM. So when you find LCM, you get, if you have confusion, directly find the LCM, it's better. So 3 1s are 3, 2 will be there, 1 2 1 1. So LCM is, this is rough work. Okay, so nicely you write it. I am writing it. So 9 2 is 18, you get as 18, right? So you will do what? So you get an 18. Okay, first you write 29, this up 1, then multiply 9 into what is 18? 2s are, plus, say 13 you write first, then multiply 6 into what is 18? 3, 6 is 18, you get 9 2 is 18, 1 4 5, so you get 58 plus 39, right? So when you will add, you will get as 8 plus 9, you get 17, 8 9 97 by 18 you get. You divide it 18 divided 97, 18. So 97 by 18 is an improper fraction. 97 by 18 is an improper fraction. So for that's why you need to convert that one in mixed number. So for that one you need to do what? You need to divide 97 divided by 18. So you get 18 5 is 19, nearest one. Then remainder you get 7. So it will be 5 18. 5 7 by 18 will be the answer. So this much for today. In the next class I will do question number 2 and 3. Thank you for watching.